Welcome to the Nural Sales app tutorial series. In this series, we'll guide you step by step through the various features and modules of the Nural Sales application. Let's get started.
Begin by opening the Nural Sales app on your mobile device. From the main dashboard, tap on the Attendance tile to access the Attendance module. You will land on the Approval screen. By default, all leave requests will be visible. You can also filter the requests by ISP using the Filter option. Tap on a leave request to open and view its details. Enter your remarks, then click on the Approve or Reject button to take action on the request. A confirmation message will appear, indicating the action was successful. To view previously approved or rejected leave requests, tap on the Archive tab. Here, you will see a list of all leave requests along with their status. You can also filter the data using the filters provided. That's it. You've now learned how to approve or reject leave requests in the Nural Sales application. Thank you for using Nural Sales.